Ayan o, barley nga. Diba, naghahanap kayo ng barley. Yung totoong barley talaga. Ito o. Yeah. I got one. Just
because you know why? This person here got done for murder.
Huh? What?
You have to ask permission to do that stuff.
Pero ito talaga yung barley.
Hang on, let's check.
Ito talaga, pinagalitan pa ako ni Habi kasi talagang huminto kami sa tabi ng daan kung saan ang daming nakatanim na barley. Tapos bawal palang mamitas. Biglang namitas ako. Nalaman niya tapos na. Nalaman niya tapos na. Nakapitas na ako. Sabi niya, bakit mo ginawa yan? Nakukulong tayo. Kasi bawal palang mamitas. So, eto guys. Sa mga naghahanap. Ayun pitas may loop. May ano pa yun. May mga ano pa yan. Sa mga naghahanap ng totoong barley. Eto ang barley na totoo. Kailangan mo na tong mahinog. Di pa to hinog eh. Pinitas ko siya, hindi pa sila hindi pa sa tantong hinog na hinog. Kailangan pa siyang mahinog ng sobra hanggang sa laming ito, na to, matatanggal to. Pag natanggal na to, nahulog na to sa yan, na-harvest na nila yan. Ito yung totoong barley ha. Ayan. Yan, made in Australia talaga ang barley. Kasi nga nasa farm nga kami ng lola niya. Dito maraming barley sa farm nila. Kaya yun. So, yan. Finally, nakakita din ako ng kung itsura ng barley. Okay.
That guy went to jail for shooting his wife.
Huh?
That guy there, this owner of the property that you just pulled it over.
No one see it. Sorry.
What's the point? You just need to listen to me.
So not allowed to pick one?
Oh, you just need to say, "Hun, I wanted to pick some," and then I can go somewhere where it's not so obvious. Okay. And you pick the most dangerous road. So just next time listen, okay?
So
I'm happy for you to do that, but
yeah, finally.
But that's not ripe yet.
This one?
Still needs time to.
Ayan, ito hindi pa to ripe or
It needs to die. You know how the Bible says that the grain has to fall to the ground and die before it produces much. That's the principle that Jesus used.
This barley?
Yeah. So this needs to keep growing until it dies. See how it's green and die? Yeah. That's what that is. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. It's so overtake. It's not the road.
I think you get out of your lane maybe.
Yeah, but she was in the lane before she came out. She needs to just slow down.
So ito, hilaw pa to. Kailangan pa daw tong mahinog talaga ng sobra to the point na malalagas siya. Pag nalalagas na siya papunta sa sa ground, yun pwede na siyang harvesting. Han, how did they harvest that barley?
With the big combine harvester, the big wheel.
Harvesters?
Big harvester.
And then where they bring that after the harvest? Where they bring?
They either put it in grain storage, or they put it in, or they take it to where they have a facility where it's grain storage.
Yeah.
They store the grain and they take samples and value the quality, and then they get their payment and they sell the
barley.
Sell the barley, yeah.
What like bread or what?
No, they sell it raw. So it gets sold there, and that's how the farmer receives his money. But then after that, then it gets sent off to then manufacturers that would go and then use the barley to make then food.
What food?
Like so you make barley sugars, barley products.
So there is a barley sugar?
Yeah, you can buy that. It's like a candy.
Really?
Yeah. It's actually really nice. I use it when I have a sore throat.
Next time, let me know.
I'll show you where it is. This Woolworths, Coles have that.
Coles?
Coles and Woolworths have barley.
So there are a lots of foods that made of barley here?
Yeah, yeah. And barley sometimes is used in...
because barley is very famous in Philippines, and they all know that it comes from Australia. That's why people there, sometimes they made a fake barley. That's why sometimes, because they know this is good for cancer.
So I'm not sure if that's barley or wheat.
Ah?